RV blind spots? Nah, we see everything. Furrion Vision South is your road trip sixth sense. Ever feel like your RV has the turning radius of a confused whale? Enter the Furrion Vision S 3-camera wireless RV backup system, the all-seeing, motion-sensing, blind spot busting, 720p sharp-as-a-tack surveillance squad that never blinks. With one Sharkfin rear cam and two side marker light cams, this system wipes out blind spots, fear, and parking anxiety in one swoop. Whether you're hauling a fifth wheel, gliding in a travel trailer, or navigating tight campgrounds like a boss, this system turns you into the backup king, or queen, of the open road. Let's talk superiority. Furrion's 2.4 GHz lag-free wireless signal blasts through interference like a trucker on caffeine, keeping your view crystal clear at 100 feet on highways and 492 feet while parked. The 5-inch LCD touchscreen monitor delivers sharp, anti-glare video even under brutal sun. Flip between views, zoom in on sketchy activity, or just vibe to the rear microphone audio while reversing. And the auto-wake motion sensors? Genius. Now your RV doesn't just see, it reacts. Parked? It becomes a 24/7 digital guard dog with eyes on every angle. Security system activated. No need to pay for custom installs or cry over wiring. This is plug and play with most RVs prepped for Furrion's system. The Sharkfin cam fits pre-installed mounts, and side cams slide right into existing marker light slots. You're not just buying tech, you're buying time, tools saved, stress evaporated. And since it's IP65 waterproof with infrared night vision, this thing won't blink even during a desert storm or blackout boondocking. You see up to 40 feet in pitch dark, and the wide viewing angles, 120 degrees rear and doorway, 65 degrees sides, make this a literal game changer. In a market full of glitchy knockoffs and slow lag systems, Furrion leads the convoy. This gear is tech-tested, travel-tough, and campfire-proof. It laughs in the face of cheap Amazon dupes and gives you professional-grade clarity that truckers dream about. Not just for RVs either, great for commercial trucks, fifth wheels, or anyone tired of surprise bumpers and mystery scraping noises. Durable? Absolutely. Effective? Every single trip. Affordable? Compared to the cost of one oops I hit a pole moment? Oh yeah, it's worth every cent. If you love your RV like it's your second home, or if it's your first, then this system is a no-brainer. Safety? Convenience? High-speed streaming video that looks like a live TV broadcast of your tailgate? The Furrion Vision S doesn't just record the road, it gives you the confidence to conquer it. Park better, turn sharper, and sleep easier knowing your rig sees what you can't. Just don't get jealous that your camera system is now smarter than your ex.